How you doing? My name is Mike Ulrich. I'm standing here today at MarineMax Venice. Today I'm going to give you a video walkthrough on a 2023 Boston Whaler 350 Realm. Personally, this is one of my favorite boats because it is awesome. Starting off in the back of the boat, this one's going to come with triple 300s. This one is in the Cold Fusion white. You can get them in black. You can get a couple different horsepower options, but the 300s are what we seem to be performing the best. Stepping right down into the cockpit, this boat is one that's incredibly versatile. It's not going to be perfect for one thing or the other. It gives you the advantage to do whatever you need to do on the water, be it fishing, diving, entertaining, or going on those longer cruises. This one's going to be capable of doing it all. A large cockpit back here, the standard Whaler seat that you're always going to have. This one's got the nice cover on it right now, but you can pop that up and have an entertainment area here. The grill located right here. Spin that open. You don't lose the cooktop space or prep area. So if you want to prep and have things on here, use this as a cutting board, you can. Have your nice grill here. Safety feature built into it, so when it's closed, it will automatically shut off. You can have a trolling seat facing aft or an area to enjoy the conversation, but below it is their cooler design, which I just think is really, really neat. So you can open this here, have easy access for grabbing your drinks, but you can also access it a whole nother way by opening it up for that easy loading and unloading. Located right by it, freshwater shower. Nice and convenient. You got 3 of these on the boat. One here, one on the rear transom, and then another one forward on the bow. Teak steps make it easy for getting on and off. Let's take it forward into here. So this is a new setup for Whaler that they don't have on any of their other ones. So similar to some of the newer style boats and the larger center consoles, you have multiple rows of seating in this boat. You can step this back, have 2 seats now facing forward, an additional teak step right here up in the front as well. Cockpit table that could be mounted here, but you're sitting there, you're like, wow, a table doesn't do much if I'm facing the back of them. Well, spin this around. Now you can set this up to have a dinette area. Everybody can be enjoyed underneath the shade, out of the sun, and have a nice conversation. Take it up here to the helm. Spin this chair around again, of course. Nice and easy, trigger pull, spin it back. Coming up to the helm, this one is going to be Mercury's Simrad twin 16s on the dash. This is new for Whaler. Previously they had Raymarine. Now we're going to rock it with a Simrad and see how that goes. Up on top, nice glove box. Over to the side, you're going to have your Simrad, and looky here, this one's going to come with a Seakeeper gyro. Everything's nice and within reach for your captain here. Throttles, you've got your new Mercury DTS switching. You can turn that off, run single throttle or dual. And then of course, located on the side, you're going to have that joystick that everybody knows and loves today. Integrated with that joystick is going to be that autopilot and skyhook feature. Just a great thing that Whaler does. Another thing, I keep pointing out these teak steps that you're going to wonder, why is he pointing them out in the video? Well, no matter, like I said, no matter how you use this boat, everybody can be comfortable. So another thing that Whaler did is right here. So some from our vertically challenged drivers, you can step that up and have an even better point of view when you're in control of the boat. This boat has it all. So it doesn't stop up here with all the room. You've got a full cabin below as well. Take a peek down there. It's nice and easy to get into, and you do have a full wet head. The wet head is currently storage right now for the covers on the boat, but down in front you can see easy seating, and that does transform into a forward berth with that TV located right above. Follow me up to the bow of this boat. You'll notice how deep the walkway is. It's nice and safe. You're going to have friends and family on the boat. It's easy. You don't need to worry about anybody coming up here and not being safe. Massive sun pad on the front of this boat. Like I said, this is my favorite boat. This is my wife's favorite area of the boat. She loves to sit up here and relax comfortably, and she can still control the music and turn it off on me. You do have a power actuated table right here. This has the sun filler pad in it currently, but below it is a nice teak cockpit table to match the one aft. Up in the front, you're going to have massive storage to a windlass and an additional freshwater shower. Guys, I don't have enough time to go through everything on this boat. If you would like to see it, it is located here at MarineMax Venice. Again, my name is Mike Ulrich. Thanks for watching.